Hello everyone, your favorite Senso Tech Jedi Lisa here with another video in this classroom management playlist series. Today we're going to talk about live chat. Now live chat is one of our modules that is Windows specific. I had to think about saying that word so I didn't mispronounce specific. Did you see me struggle? I'm going to stay within a group that just has Windows devices in there, and I'm going to go ahead and let's make those nice and big so that you can see what it's going to look like when you run this tool. I'm going to go ahead and open up live chat. Now this is something you can send out to individual or multiple users, so I will show you what it looks like individual first and then multiple next. I'm going to go ahead and select just one user. I'm going to say hello, and I'm going to go ahead and click run. Now you'll see this is going to pop up for your students on their side. They see who it's from, super text, and you will also see your response and their responses here. So now I'm going to go into this as if I am a student, and I'm going to type hello super text and go ahead and click send, and you'll see that I will be able to see their responses right here within the portal, as well if I'm watching it on their screens live. So I'm going to go ahead and open up, let's go down here and oops, that's not what I want to do. I want to make it a little bit smaller. Let's go ahead and select multiple users, and again we're going to come back over here and let's say good morning and click run, and now it's going to add to this one, but it's also going to pop up over here as well. Now you'll get transcripts on this side from both of them. Now if you close this tool or close these, let me go ahead, if you know what mouse control is, hopefully you've been following along from the other videos, you know this is a really helpful tool. If you open back up while you're in the same session, meaning you haven't logged out of your portal and logged back in, and you go back in and start another chat, you will see, wait for it, those chat transcripts from this session still in there. Okay, so you'll see them right there. Let's go ahead and let's go out full screen so that you can see what I am talking about, that their chat transcripts are still there. Now, if I come back in here, let me show you what's going to happen. I'm going to close all of this lovely stuff down. Go ahead again, take mouse control only, close that down. I'm going to log out. Here's what I mean about ending a session. I'm going to log back in. I'm going to go over here to that group that I have those devices in. Go back into thumbnail view, go back out full screen, go ahead and select those devices again, do another message test and run, and you'll see that it will clear out those transcripts there. Very easy to close this tool. You saw how I did it using the mouse control only, or also you can go into, if you want a mouse control only, you see there, I could close it from here. You could have your end users close it. You could take control of the device and close it if you would really like to, or you can simply right here toggle this on and click run, or type in end chat as well. See how it says it right here, or type in chat to close that message. Okay guys, that's live chat. I'll see you in the next one.